Now, question number 10, it says that total 1161 digits are used to give numbers to pages of a book. Okay, so I will going to consider these. This is my book, and this book has many pages. So let it be like this. It will going to have many pages. Okay, so I will going to name the pages. Say this is page number 1, and from here page number 1 to page number 9. So total number of pages here used is 9, and the total number of digits used here is again 9, because all are single digit. Next I will have 2-digit number, that is 10. From 10, 11, 12, 13, like that I will going to have till 99. Okay, so how many digits I will have? To know the total number of total number of digits, I should know how many 2 digits number are there. So this you can even do with the concept of arithmetic progression. So here first term is what? First term is 10. What is the common difference? Common difference is 1. What is your Tn? Tn is 99. So I will going to use this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here what is Tn? Tn is my 99. So I will write here 99 plus a is 10 and n minus 1. Okay, this should be equal to. Now if I solve this, I will get the value of n as 99. Okay, 99 minus 9, which comes out to 90. So how many digits are there here? The number of digits from 10 to 99 is 90 sorry, 90 numbers. And how many digits it will be? Number of digits will be 2 digit into 90. That comes to your 180. So 180 digit is consumed from 10 to 99, and then 9 digit is consumed from 1 to 9. But how many number of digits this particular book has? It has 1161. Okay, it means this book has number of 3 digits also. So how much will be that 3-digit number? I don't know. So I will going to assume that number to be X. Fine. Now next 1161. Okay, so number of digits, okay, will be what? Will be your 1161, that is a total number of digits, minus 9 digits from from page number 1 to 9, and 180 digits from page number 11, not 11, 10 to 99. So when I subtract this, I will going to get 972. So 972 digits I have of 3 digits number. So how many number it will be? It will be 3 into n, that comes to 972. So here n will be what? 972 divided by 3. Okay, 972 divided by 3, that is 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6, 4 are 12. So 324 pages, 324 pages will be. So here it will be 324 pages, and here it will be where is that? Okay, here this is your number of pages, which is 9. Here number of pages, this is your number of pages, which is 9. This is your number of pages, that is 90. And then one more number of pages which we got is what? It is 324. So you need to add 324 plus 9 plus 90. This comes to 423 pages. So total number of that books contains 423 pages. Got it? Okay, so it says that question number 6, a boy was asked, okay, a boy was asked to multiply a number by 25. So what he was asked? He was asked to multiply a number. Which number? I don't know. So I will going to assume that number as x. This number x he is supposed to multiply by 25, but then what he did, he instead multiplied by 52. So by mistake, okay, by mistake, what he did, instead of multiply by 25, he multiplied this number by 52 and got the answer, that is 324 more. Okay, he got the answer 324 more. So this answer, whatever he got, which is 52x, that he got how much? 324 more. Okay, then the correct answer. So this will be your correct answer, which is 25x. Find the correct answer. So we need to find the correct answer, which is 25x. So how to solve this? This 52x is equal to 25x plus 324. Now 25x will be transposed from here to here. It will become minus 25x. So 52 minus 25 is 27. So here it will be 27x is equal to 324. So value of x will be 324 divided by 27. So 27 1 ja 27. Here 27 1 ja 27, and then 27 2 ja will be 54. So 12 is the value of x. But what is asked? They have asked to find the correct answer. So my correct answer will be this. Correct answer will be this, right? So 12 into 25, which comes to 300. So 300 is the correct answer. So here A is the correct answer. Got it? A cricket team won 3 matches more than they lost. Okay. So a cricket team won 3 matches more. So he will going to win 3 matches more than the number of matches they lost. If win give them 2 points and loss give them -1 point. Okay. So it means it should be something like this. 1 minute. So this is, say, your win and this is loss. So if you are winning, you will get 2 points, and if you are loss, okay, then you will get -1. So small w means number of points for winning, small l means number of matches lost, means minus will be specified for that. Okay. And how many matches they played if their score was 23. So when you add this, you should get here 23. That's what that means. So I have got one equation. What's that? It is 2w minus l is equal to 23. Okay, this is one equation, and another equation I can get from here. What is that? W is equal to L, W is equal to L plus 3. So from here, L will be what? From here, L will be L minus 3. So substitute the value of L minus 3, okay, over here. So it will be 2W minus W plus 3 is equal to 23. So when you solve this, the answer of W will be 20. Answer of W will be 20. Okay. And what they have asked, how many matches they played, if their score was 23. It means we need to find L plus W both. Okay. L will be what? L will be 20 minus 3. That comes to 17. So total how many matches they have played? Total matches they have played, total number of matches they won, total of matches they lost. So that is 20 plus 17, which is nothing but 37. So A is the correct option for this question.